Welcome back to Skills Academy. In this tutorial, we'll dive into how to create a WhatsApp business account on Android. Follow this easy guide to know how to create a WhatsApp business account. Install WhatsApp Business app on your mobile. You can easily find the WhatsApp Business app on the Google Play Store and App Store. Besides, it is free to download. So the first thing you need to do is install the WhatsApp Business application on your mobile. Launch the app. Congratulations! You have just completed the first step and are on the way to create a WhatsApp business account. After downloading the app, launch it on your device. Now you'll be required to agree to the terms of service before proceeding. Create your business account. You can either use your existing number to set up a WhatsApp business account or opt for a new one. In your next step, you will be asked to select the number you'd like to use to make your WhatsApp business account. Verify your number. Once you have chosen the number you'd like to have your WhatsApp business account with, the next step is to verify it. Enter the number that you're linking with your WhatsApp business app. You will receive a verification SMS or call on it. Once you've been through the steps mentioned above, it is finally time to create your WhatsApp business profile. You will be asked to furnish your account with various details related to your business. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.